Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dia. If you're new here, I make DIY and home decor content here on my channel. As you can see by the title, and there's a big smile on my face, this is the final part of my living room makeover series. I know I have been a little annoying by posting all these parts, but I just didn't want to make this video super duper long for you guys, so hence all these parts. If you guys did not watch part 1 and part 2 of this living room makeover series, I highly recommend you guys do that because I covered the shopping experience and also a DIY arched wall. So, you know, if you guys are interested in that, then watch part 1 and part 2 and then come back to watch part 3. In this video, I'm going to cover everything else, like all the other decor elements, the painting, DIY shelves, and all that. So yeah, I'm super excited to share this with you. Before I get into the video, let's take a quick look at the before. As you can see, the before is completely fine. There's nothing wrong with this space, but it's just a little too dull for my liking. We do spend a lot of our time in this space, so I just wanted to incorporate some colors, make it feel more bright and just more lively in here. So this is my plan for the living room. As you can see, there's a yellow, orange, green, all of these fun colors. I want to do a yellow diagonal painting on the wall, kind of like a triangle, and I've already covered the orange arch wall in my part 2 video, so you know, check that out if you guys want to learn how to make an arch on the wall. And that's pretty much it. So I don't want to talk anymore, and let's get right into painting. Hello guys, so today is the next day, and as you can see, the walls are looking good. Now I have to just go in with the yellow paint. Super exciting and like scary because I never colored like a wall yellow before, so I don't know how it's gonna look, but the idea is, as you guys saw in the sketch, it's going to be like a diagonal paint, so not the whole wall. Half of it is still gonna stay white, but the bottom half will be yellow. All I have to do right now is get some tape and tape the walls so that I can make my shape, and that, as simple as that. All you gotta do is just paint the wall, and then once it's dry, take off the tape. So let's get right into that. And also, how cute do I look in my overall? Like, I'm like your local Bob the Builder, except I'm not Bob the Builder, I'm the other painter. Okay, yeah, so let's get right into it. Guys, I'm actually really liking the yellow. You guys, first coat is done. I am super excited. As you guys can see, this is what it looks like. So, you guys, I think it's not a surprise that I am DIYing shelves. This is my third time doing this on camera, so I'm not going to talk too much because I'm pretty sure you guys are bored of it by now. But if you really want to learn how to make DIY shelves, then check out my first bathroom video. I kind of show an in-depth tutorial on how to do these DIY shelves. But basically what I do is I just go to Home Depot, I get a long piece of pine wood cut, and I basically got 6 pieces out of it, and it was only $20 for the whole long piece of pine wood. And then I basically just get some brackets, like shelf brackets, and then kind of screw them on together, and that's pretty much it. But definitely check out my first ever YouTube video to see like kind of like an in-depth tutorial. But what I'm gonna do here is, instead of painting it, I am staining it. So if you guys are wondering how to stain wood, it's very simple. All you gotta do is just buy like your stain and get a cloth, and pretty much like instead of using a brush to paint, you're just using like a cloth to paint, really. Hello guys, so this is what the stained shelves are looking like. I am very happy with it. I did go ahead and stain the other side off camera, and I have also attached a shelf bracket on one of them to kind of show you guys what it's going to look like once it's on the wall. And tell me this does not look like the Wayfair one. Like, come on. So I'm going to kind of set this aside and give you guys one very small tutorial on how to do it if you guys do not want to go back to my first video and watch it. So all you're going to do is take your piece of wood, and you're going to take your bracket. So I have my bracket right here, and the shorter side goes on the wood, and then the longer side will go on the wall. And you have to measure how or where you want this to be. And then once you measure it, you can go in with a pencil and kind of mark the 3 holes. And then what you're gonna do is you're just gonna make the holes and then kind of hammer the screw in just a little bit, so that when you are drilling it into the wood, it's not that difficult. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I'll give you guys a close-up and you guys can do it with me. And my drill is out of battery. So I actually did run into a problem, and that was that my drill just, you know, got stuck in the middle and it wouldn't go in. So I don't know, maybe like there's something back there. I'm not like, you know, I don't know much about like electrical and things like that. So I don't know what that was. And initially my plan was I would have one here, two, one, and then two. But now that I couldn't really drill in this side of the wall, my plan is kind of doing it like that. Hope you guys understand what I just said. If you don't, then just wait till I do the reveal. Guys, this is the exciting part. I'm gonna bring in all my furniture right now and kind of place them. The wall is painted behind me, as you can see. I don't want to show you guys too much because I want it to be a little surprise reveal, and I want you guys to be as excited as I am. So let's bring in my furniture and kind of start placing them. This better not be complicated to build, I swear. Okay, let's see what it says. Part.
One eternity later.
Are you guys ready to see what the after looks like? I'm so excited for you guys to see. Remember what the before looked like, and in 3, 2, 1, here you go. Wow!
Really, Dia, you did amazing. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it.
Oh my god, is this even the same place? This looks
yeah,
so
it's
good.
completely different.
That
wow.
one looks so good.
Yeah, you were awesome. Come here. Naman dyan.
Yeah, so nice. So you guys, what did you think of the after? I'm so proud of how it turned out. It literally looks out of like Pinterest. I just want to go over with you guys a little about all the decor. I nearly spent $0 on all the decor elements, like other than the ones I bought in my shopping vlog. So yeah, let's go over them a little. So as you guys can see, this planter and the plant, like I just had it. And it adds such a nice touch, brings in the green elements. Also, do you guys remember these vases? I made them in one of my DIY ceramic videos, so I kind of used them here. Also, like, look how pretty these chairs look. Like, they were only $150 from Facebook Marketplace, and it literally adds like the perfect touch in this space, like brings in all the green together. Also added some LED like strips under the counter for that, like, you know, that effect. And then moving on here, this is literally my favorite part of the video, and sorry, this room, and I added this lamp that was literally like trash in my house. Like, it was just like in one corner, and it looks so good here. Also, do you guys remember this tree that I got? This was, this plant. This was from my thrift haul that I did a couple videos ago. So if you guys are interested in that, then watch that video. And then moving on, I love this mirror so much. Like, so it brings in like that round, like the effect that we have with the arch on the other wall. It just ties in everything so well. All the pillowcases are all literally like from different rooms in my house. I kind of just stole different pillowcases from different rooms because, you know, I just didn't want to spend more money on that. And then, you guys, like this little candle stand is also from my thrift store haul. So I'm literally reusing everything that I had in my house. These coasters are from my DIY Christmas gifts video that I made. And that vase is also from my thrift store video. I know I don't have any prints on those frames yet because I couldn't print anything, but I will do that very soon. And yeah, I'm so happy with everything. This table, by the way, I have a love-hate relationship with. And as much as I love how this table looks, I had such a like annoying experience building it. Like, it was just so annoying to like screw together because like the screws weren't tightening, and I was like, oh my gosh, like, is this gonna fall apart any minute? But then when I put the bottom part, it was all good. So I would recommend this table. You know, in the beginning it's a little annoying, but yeah, I'm so happy that this space turned out exactly how I envisioned, if not better. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So if you did, let me know what was your favorite part of this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and until my next video, bye!